We are making बैंगन का भरता or odo in Gujarati. First barbecue the brinjals or eggplant. We have to apply oil and make a cut and put it on barbecue. You are required to cook this until it gets very soggy. एकदम चिमड़ाई जेवू જોઈએ. It should be really soggy. You can see this. Once this is done, you remove it in a plate. It should be really soggy. Everything should be soggy. And then remove the skin. Like this, you need to remove the skin. See, you need to remove the skin like this. Everything should be removed. See, this is peeled brinjal or eggplant. Similarly, I will remove all the skin of this. Plus, I would like to mention it should be removed when the skin should be removed when it is hot. These are the peeled brinjals. I am making this for 2 people, so this much is enough for us. Further, this is garlic, ginger and red chilies. You can make paste out of ginger and garlic. However, I like it this way, hence I am making it this way. Also, we will require onions, that is spring onions actually. We will separate the bulb and the greens. Yeah. So everything is ready. This is brinjal, that is barbecued. Spring onions and this green chilies and everything which I showed you before. However, we need to chop this a bit. So how will you chop this? Just randomly do it like this. You do not need to be very precise with this. Randomly do it like this. It should be a little mashed. You can say it can be mashed. You can do with pav bhaji masher. It looks something like this. You can do like this, but I'm not using it right now. I'm doing it with knife only. So let's process. We will switch on the flame and we will add oil. Oil should be a bit more, this much. These are the spices which I will require. This is called rye. It looks something like this. It looks something like this. Then this is red chili powder, coriander powder. This is asafoetida. I don't know the pronunciation precisely. And this is haldi powder, turmeric. So let's switch it on. First we'll put this rye or mustard seed. Then we will put this asafoetida. It shouldn't be too much, but not too less also. You can say 2 pinch of asafoetida, not much. Then we will add this. Let it saute a bit. So this is done. Now let's add the onion bulb. We will add the green chilies later. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now you can see it's been sauteed. We shouldn't brown this. It should be little sauteed but not brown. Now we will be adding salt as per taste, red chili powder 1 spoon, haldi powder, a pinch of haldi powder, we'll mix a bit. We are adding this before, since that red color will come, so we want red color, so that's the reason we add chili powder and haldi powder before. And then we'll be adding brinjal or eggplant. Along with this, I forgot to show you before, this tomato we will be adding, and we'll saute a bit. We have mixed it well, as you can see in the video, and now we are adding this coriander powder. It should be added later. Now this greens we are adding. So everything is added. Now we will lower the flame, lower it as much as possible, and let it simmer for a while. You can see the oil has come up, so it's done. We'll switch off the flame and it's ready to eat. You can eat with bajra ka rotla, that is millet flour. It is available on my channel. The link is available on my channel. Thank you very much.